Happening now, there's a rally to protest dozens of bills that could have a big impact on public service workers like teachers, police, and healthcare workers all across the state.
Hearings began today at the Capitol to talk about that proposed legislation. News 8's Jackie Slater's been following this all day. She's live in Hartford tonight with those details. Jackie?
Darren, we've got hundreds of people out here. Those hearings wrapping up just about 30 minutes ago. Now, the workers that you see here say these proposed bills are a direct hit to them and the middle class. But the lawmakers behind the bills say the state is paying out way too much for benefits and pensions, and these bills aim to change that. Lawmakers discussing dozens of bills that could impact state employees' salaries, benefits, and pensions. Republicans say these bills, if passed, would save the state hundreds of millions of dollars.
This is really what we need to do. No one has had the courage to address it, but right now things are so dire that it is the only place we have to look.
Senator Tony Boucher of Wilton says the key to lowering the state's budget deficit is to start asking state employees to contribute more to health care costs and pension plans.
We cannot tax the public anymore. They're leaving. We have population that has left for 3 years in a row.
When it comes to pension payouts, Republicans say the system is flawed, saying the number is inflated by including things like overtime and reimbursement for mileage. Appropriations Committee co-chair Paul Formica says compromises need to be made.
Because there are some tough decisions that need to be made, and we don't want layoffs. You know, we want to preserve jobs.
The proposals are not sitting well with unionized workers at the state and local level.
And we're here to help. We are willing to negotiate, but unfortunately, it just seems like let's just take a broad swipe at pensions and health benefits for the middle class.
At the hearing today, lots of talk that these bills are a direct hit to the middle class and the people that provide much-needed services to everyone in the state.
The state workers can't solve the whole problem. They didn't create the problem. And if what you're designed to do is to take middle-class jobs and destroy them and get rid of services, that doesn't help the state economy.
And we did see a list of some of the pensions being paid out. Some retired workers are receiving upwards of $100,000, $200,000, even $300,000. But these workers here say that the bulk of pensions being paid out come in under $40,000. Reporting live at the Capitol tonight, Jackie Slater, News 8.